For Canadians digging out in Ontario and Quebec, we've got some company south of our border. Winter weather alerts affecting tens of millions of Americans. Even forecasters in shovel-savvy Buffalo were wowed. A strong and massive winter storm system stirred up Sunday through Monday, hitting a huge stretch from Florida to Maine, dropping everything from rain, sleet, and snow, even tornadoes forming along the southeastern U.S., building to a thick blanket of the white stuff the closer it inches to Canada. The U.S. National Weather Service warning of a major winter storm impacting the eastern U.S. on the Martin Luther King Jr. federal holiday stateside. Not a day off for snowplow operators.
Try and make it safe as possible. If you can stay in, try and stay in as much as possible. We'll do everything in our best power to keep the roads as clear as possible.
Thousands of flights grounded since the winter blast began. Major roads closed, vehicles sliding into ditches. Overnight, Virginia State Police saying they've responded to more than 1,000 traffic crashes. Drivers told to stay home. Governors of states like Virginia, Georgia, North Carolina, and South Carolina all declaring emergencies due to the storm. Parts of Ohio and Pennsylvania seeing 30 centimeters or more of snow. Strong winds also a problem. Thousands of customers without power. And significant snowfall in Buffalo, where forecasters tweeted wow at 1 a.m. when 4.6 inches or nearly 12 centimeters of snow fell in just an hour. Flash forward 12 hours, the snowfall total at the Buffalo airport was 16.2 inches, or more than 40 centimeters, almost doubling the previous daily record, with more widespread snow on the way. And concerns continue for parts of the U.S. where snow has even stopped falling, and that's because of wind gusts blowing around what's already dropped. And for parts of the U.S. where they've had a warmer day today, drivers are being warned that what has melted could refreeze again, making for icy road conditions overnight. Melissa Duggan, City News.